So we are working on different branches are working on different aspects of hazardous waste. But ITC has a mandate within UNEP to work on waste management, where we also cover the hazardous waste. However, in ITC, we are more on the solutions and of pipe solutions, and then our another branch, sustainable consumption and production in Paris, they are looking on the upstream solutions like waste minimization. But we are more focusing on managing waste, recycling, reusing the waste. And for the hazardous waste, it's part of all our activities. Like our major project is integrated solid waste management, and under the integrated solid waste management, we cover all waste streams within a city: healthcare waste, municipal waste, industrial waste, urban agriculture waste, construction and demolition waste. So hazardous waste is part and parcel of all those waste, and so we have to work for hazardous waste. And then we also have a project on e-waste, where hazardous waste is another major issue, because it's also an issue for informal sector involving in e-waste. And then we also have a project on the healthcare waste and waste oils. Now, we work on 3 levels. One level is a national level or normative level, where we bring the guidelines, we do the awareness raising the political profile of the waste management and so on. Then second level is more we work on the pilots with the city governments, basically, to demonstrate that how different practices can change the scenario in the cities. And third, we work with the city governments and national governments to come up with the strategies. Because without proper strategy, it's difficult to have a policy in place, technologies in place, private partnerships in place, and so on. So third level is where we are working on the local and national strategies. So this is how we are trying, but our emphasis is always that working together, because as a small branch, or even as a UNEP, as a small organization within a UN system, it might be difficult for one organization to tackle all the issues. So we try to work with all other UN partners, national governments, civil society, and so on. So we work in partnership, and that's where we have launched the global partnership on waste management under UNEP, where we have Integrated Solid Waste Association leading the Waste and Climate Change, UNIDO is leading e-waste, we are leading ISWM, and also Waste Agriculture Biomass. Our Paris office, they are leading waste minimization, and Debbie from Nairobi is leading marine litter. So we are trying to build more partnerships, to work in partnership, to support each other, to tackle the issue at a larger scale. Thank you very much.